What's up, people? Wagwan, welcome back to another video. And today I'll be showing you guys how I wash and care for my knotless braids. Well, guys, I have these braids in for about 2 months, or a month and 2 weeks, I think. I don't remember how long I have it in, but I have it in for a long period of time. But anywho, as you can see, it is growing out. As you can see, the root is growing out. I want to take these down as soon as possible, but I'm just gonna show you how I wash and care for them. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna wet my hair. So I'm gonna wet it, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what products I use. Alright guys, so now I'm going to shampoo my hair. I have this protein shampoo. I don't normally use any shampoo that comes to hand in my hair. Maybe I need to stop it, that's why my hair is damaged, but I'm gonna use this one for now. Alright guys. In case you're wondering, guys, if I'm going to condition my hair, no, I don't condition my hair when I have the braids in. I just wash it with shampoo, dry it. So now I'm gonna grab my towel and I'm going to wrap my hair into the towel until I get to blow drying it. Pull my hair once I have the braids in. I just wash it, blow dry it, and restyle it. Once I take the braids out, then I proceed to washing and conditioning afterwards. So guys, I'm now gonna grab the blow dryer and I'm just gonna blow dry the root of my hair. And I have a reason why, because I want the root of my hair to be dry, because I don't want to get any cold or flu. As you know, I'm working now and I don't want anybody to say I have corona. Anywho guys, I'm just gonna blow dry the root of my hair, and I'm gonna blow dry the braid also. Well, I'm not going to blow dry it until it's dried. I am going to allow it to air dry. That's why I'm going to blow dry the root mostly, and let the end of the hair dry by itself. Alright guys, now I don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And of course guys, please I'm begging you, share the videos. Ask a friend to ask a friend, ask a family member, share it to an aunt, an uncle, or grandma, anyone. As long as you share the video, I really appreciate it guys. Help me get to 300 subscribers. Once I get to 300 subscribers, I want to do a giveaway. Nothing big, something small, but yeah. So now I'm gonna grab my ear oil. It is the Blue Magic castor oil and coconut oil ear oils. I'm just gonna use the ear oil and distribute it evenly between the roots until I am satisfied with it. Now guys, I'm just gonna do a half up, half down. So I'm just gonna take the entire front of the hair up into a ponytail, and I'm gonna leave the back hanging. Guys, stay tuned for when I slay my baby hair. So guys, the camera had stopped recording. So what I had done is I used my wax, my edge control, and I put some on here, and then I used the comb and smooth method to create my baby hair. And that is the final look, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and of course follow me on all my social medias. It will be on the screen. Take care and